As in this video, I'm going to be showing you the simple way on how you can download any video from Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So subscribe to this channel to get our next video value. So the first thing you have to do if you want to download any video from Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, the first thing you have to go to your browser. In this video, I'm going to be using Chrome browser. So you have to go to your browser, open your Chrome browser, type save 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 from home save from .net save from .net. Then you have to go to this site save from .net. You can download any video with the same quality that the person uploaded. It will not change quality. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go to Facebook. Let's say we want to download any video from Facebook. This is our Facebook. Okay, let's say we want to download this particular video now. First thing you need to do now is to go to this place, click on this link here, these three dots here on top of this place, click on it, go to see copy link. You copy this link, come back to this place that you open, this save from .net, then hold it and paste the video. It will automatically upload the video and for you to download. So guys, you can see the video that we just do now. It's still uploading. You can see it said you should download this video, and you are going to download this video. It's going to come out in HD, high quality video. So once you click on download now, you will start downloading this video. You start downloading this video. As you can see, it's downloading the video. It's downloading the video right now. As you can see, it is downloading the video. So that is literally how to download from YouTube. Look at the video as downloaded already. Let's play it so that you see the video. As you can see, it's inside my gallery now in my phone, so I cannot use data to watch this video again. If I want to watch this video, everything is set, the volume, everything is in high quality. So let's go to another place, that is for Facebook. Let's say we want to download from Instagram. You go to your Instagram. Let's look for video or picture. Let's say we want to download this particular video on Instagram. You go to this place where there is this three dot, click on it. You can see the link here. Click on the link, you copy the link. Once it's copied, come to your browser. Go to your browser, type on save for net. Save. SAVE from .net. You save you load it, it will come out. Come and paste that link which you copy from the Instagram. You can see the video will automatically load here and ask you to download it if you want. Look at the video, guys. The video is out here. So if you want to download it, you just click on the download button here and it will download into your phone automatically. So let's go to that is for Instagram. If you want to download YouTube video, let's go to YouTube. If you want to download YouTube video, you go to your YouTube app or you go to YouTube website. Right now I'm using the app version. You go to your YouTube app. Let's say you want to download this video, this particular video here. Let's say you want to download this video. Click on the video that you want to download. This is the video you want to download on Facebook. This is the video. Click on share. As you can see, share here. Click on share. Once you click on share, it will bring out once you click on share, it will bring out where you can be able to copy the link of this video. The network is kind of disturbing a bit, and that is how you can copy the link from that video. So once you click on share, it will bring out, you can see as you click on share, it will bring out where you can copy the link. So you copy the link and come back to that same site that we just spoke now, this save.net. You paste the URL that you copied. You can see, you can just click on the download button and this video will be downloaded into your phone. So guys, that is literally the simple way to download video from Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So guys, if you are not subscribed to this video, don't forget to do that and give us a like if you get value from this video. Thank you and one love.